Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best deer hunting knives that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best deer hunting knives. Your hunting will never be fulfilled without the best deer hunting knife. A hunting knife is a great tool that will help you in different ways. People have been hunting for millions of years. But without the best hunting knife, especially for dressing, it could be a nightmare in your ever hunting story. It's never possible to use any old tools or regular knife for hunting, especially deer. Number 10. Kershaw Clash Folding Hunting Knife for Deer. The knife, crafted with heat-treated 3.1 inches 8cr13 move Chinese-produced stainless steel 3.1-inch blade with black oxide finish for maximum performance. Main features: secure locking system. Includes speed-safe assisted opening. Textured glass-filled nylon handle. Number 9. Benchmade Griptilian 551 Small Hunting Knife. The knife specially designed for all hunting and outdoor use. This pocket-sized small hunting knife has a 3.45-inch blade with a beautiful drop point shape. Main features: high-quality 58 to 61 HRC steel. Made from USA. Glass-filled nylon handle. Number 8. Gerber Bear Grylls Ultimate Knife Serrated Edge. This top-rated knife overall length is 10 inch and weight is only 11.2 ounces. It's made from hard stainless steel. Main features: full tang with drop point shape. Comfortable and durable handle grip. Life-saving fire starter rod. Number 7. Ontario Knife Extra Large Hunting Knife. This is a 7-inch long hunting knife from Ontario Knife. Even many hunters and campers love this knife. It's made from the USA. Main features: wooden handle with protective brass. Beautiful zebra stripes on the blade. Made from 1095 carbon steel. Number 6. MTech USA Mount 086 Affordable Straight Blade Knife. This is really an amazing knife, which is 12 1/4 inch overall length with a 7-inch blade and 3 mm thickness. Main features: ABS handle with wing walk inserts. Beautiful black finish plain blade. Made from stainless steel. Number 5. Morakniv Companion Top, rated and available in different colors. It has a very beautiful handle which is very comfortable than a wooden handle, as well as provides a high friction grip. Main features: fully corrosion resistant. Comfortable handle for non-slip grip. Made from stainless steel. Number 4. ESEE Knives 5P Durable and Multiple Carrying Option. This is a great tool that can be used for hiking or camping as well as hunting. It has 5.25 inches beautiful drop point blade. Main features: comfortable micarta handle for best grip. Protective sheath for safe carrying. Best strong outdoor knives. Number 3. Buck Special 119 USA Made Best Hunting Knife. Premium materials and higher level engineering, making it an ideal hunting knife for deer and outdoor heavy-duty jobs. High-quality steel ensures superior durability. Main features: rust and corrosion resistance. 420HC steel blade. Protective leather sheath. Number 2. Becker BK2 Best Fixed Blade Hunting Knife. It is a perfect choice who wants a short hunting blade. Because it has a 5.25-inch flat blade, include a beautiful 20-degree drop point shape. Main features: super sharp blade and aluminum guard. Made from Olean, New York, USA. Heavy-duty job and easy to handle. Number 1. Tac Force TF469 Best Folding Hunting Knife. The world's best hunting knife brand Tac Force makes a high-quality knife. It is very lightweight and portable, even it's very easy to carry. Main features: stainless steel blade. Manufactured from USA. Luxury brown paca wood handle. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.